Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening a high-quality duplicate of your photo in the app. This preserves the original while you edit. Once open, straighten using the grid and correct horizon first, because composition guides every follow-up change. Make a small exposure adjustment to reveal hidden highlights and shadows. Don't push it. Aim for natural range. Next, apply lens corrections or crop to a clean 16:9 or square composition, depending on where you'll publish. Once base exposure is set, correct white balance so skin tones and neutrals read true. Use the eyedropper or temperature/tint sliders and check across the frame. Then make local adjustments. Paint a brush to lift eyes, use a radial to brighten a subject, and apply gradient filters for skies. After that, balance detail by applying moderate sharpening and noise reduction so you keep texture without artifacts. Finally, reduce clarity or structure slightly if the image feels too harsh. To finish, remove distractions with the healing tool. Clone only when needed for complex edges. Once clean, apply a subtle color grade or preset but dial back intensity so skin and highlights remain natural. Make final checks, crop to target size, export at appropriate quality and resolution, and preview on the device or platform you'll use. If colors shift, recalibrate white balance or re-export with sRGB. Troubleshoot. If artifacts appear, revert the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.